Hey guys, Hector here. Welcome back. Just wanted to do a quick video on my current cook it. So stay tuned. Alright, so here's my cook it. It is Toaks 750, and I got this stuff sack from Meyer Tech Hammock Gears, Jeff Myers. Perfect size. And it's the 750. The handles and lid. And what I carry sometimes varies, but this is usually what I carry in here. This is always in here. And this is my stove in a Z-Packs stuff sack. And that is sorry, let me open it up here. The Soto Amicus. And this stove is just awesome. It has never failed me. Always lights. Never have any issues with it at all. And it has a smaller burner than the Soto Windmaster. That's why I use it with the 750. When I use other bigger cook kits, I'll use the Windmaster. But for small cups, this is all you need. So we have the burner, stuff sack. We'll get to the small stuff. And the canister fits right inside. And I threw in a new one. These light load towels, because the other one I had in here was pretty gross looking, so it's time for a new one like this, just to, you know, clean it out or dry it before I put it away. And then this is my soap. It's the Dr. Bronner's. And just carry this for when I drink my coffee out of here, or if I decide I'm gonna cook in here. That with the towel, water, wash it up. And that's it. That is my complete set. Usually just drop it in there. Stove, back in its stuff sack, and one on each side there. When the towel is already open, I'll stuff it in and fill in all the cracks. This stuff sack is just perfect fit. And there it is. That's my current cook it. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. and I'll see you on the next one. Alright, hold up. I actually forgot one of the most important parts of my cook kit. That is my spoon. And that is a Toaks long-handled polished bow. And now that actually completes my cook kit. Thanks for watching.